everyone, welcome to my tips and tricks. Today I'm diving into a 5-video series about starting your online digital product business. And the first essential step is to find your niche. So choosing the right niche can make all the difference in your success. So let's get started. First, research market demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, or social media to see what people are interested in. What are they searching for? Next, think about your interests and expertise. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have? Combining your passions and market demand can lead to a winning niche. And finally, look at successful niches. Some popular ones include health and wellness, personal development, finance, and online education. But remember, there's always room for unique ideas. So take some time to brainstorm and choose your niche. This is going to be your foundation, so make it count. If you want to dive deeper and get expert guidance on selecting a profitable niche, consider joining our program. We provide resources and support to help you find the perfect niche that aligns with your passion and market demand. Now stay tuned for the next video where I will talk about creating a high quality digital product.